Hey everyone, we're going to break down where the send and receive settings are on your iPhone. Okay, if your messages aren't going through, or you want to check which numbers and emails are linked to iMessage, this is going to help you right here. First, what you're going to want to do is open the Settings app. That's the main place where all your message controls live. Now scroll down until you see the Apps section. You can go ahead and look for the Messages app in that list. Tap on Messages. Oh, great. This is where all the iMessage and SMS options appear. Scroll a bit on this screen until you find the option called Send and Receive. Tap on it. This is the bright, smart place where you can make out which phone number and email addresses are being used for iMessage. Here you can check what you want to use to send and receive messages. You can select your phone number, uncheck old emails, or keep only the number if you prefer. Anyways, make sure the correct contact info is selected, because if not, iMessage might not activate and your messages might go after the wrong address. If something doesn't show up a bit, or you want to make up your setup ahead, you can restart your iPhone or toggle iMessage off and on. That usually fixes it. If you have any other questions or something refuses to appear, call on me right here and I'll bring in the steps you need.